Well, good morning everyone. This is Wednesday. We're on our way to eat at a different place, a different Chinese place, Panda Express, because the buffet wasn't open because there's too much snow. And we already went to Goodwill and my honey bunny bought me a purse and that's all we got. So I will see you after we eat. Hey everyone, this is his plate from Panda, and then this is mine. Hey everyone, this is all the snow we're getting. That's my mom's snow blowing. Oh yeah. So look at that pine tree. Hey everyone, gas is $2.09. Look at the blinking light. It doesn't look blinking when I move the camera, but on here it is. Wow. Okay, so we're getting gas at BP, as you see. I have cupcakes there from Mowers, the Panda Express leftover, groceries down here. Oh, and here's my cute purse. I love it. And my hubby bought me a new one today. I'm so excited, and it looks like they're gonna snow blow over here. So we're just getting gas, and this is what we're doing. I'll show you the haul of everything when we... Hey everyone, today is chicken in the crock pot. I have 5 big chicken breasts in there, and I'm gonna show you what... Hello everyone, so I have my chicken breast right here below me. I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of the chicken bouillon, even though I have chicken broth in there, just to give it some extra flavor. About 1.5 there. And then I'm going to add my Mrs. Dash seasonings. Okay. So I have the original blend Mrs. Dash and the garlic and herb. So I'm just going to lift each breast up and put some on there. Okay, and I will definitely wash my hands after this. Dulce's barking because her dad's out snow blowing again. We've snow blowed 3 times today. Okay, and then the garlic and herb I'm just going to put over the top of all of it. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like in 1 second. I just gotta wash my hands, touching chicken. And I do rinse my chicken, and it's totally okay if you disagree, but I do it because there's lots of bacteria on chicken, so I do that. If you don't do that, that's fine, but I do. Okay. So this is what the chicken looks like in the crock pot, and I'm just going to put the lid on and let her cook. Come on. Come on. Potty, let's go. Let's go. She loves the snow. She loves it. Potty, potty, potty. Potty. Look at you guys. Oh my gosh. Come on. Look, it's almost to my knees. No. Hey everyone, this is dinner. Oh my goodness, everyone. There was a shooting in our city. How lovely. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Everybody's coming to check it out.
Everyone's checking it out. We drove on the other side of the city just to check this out. This is crazy, you guys.